Sorting data in Excel. It is easy to maintain data in Excel as the sheet is divided into rows and columns, but the data may not be arranged in a specific order automatically as we enter it. For such a purpose, Excel provides us with a feature called sorting. Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. Data can be sorted in two ways. Ascending order. Arranging data in increasing order. For example, letters from A to Z, numbers from lowest to highest, etc. Descending order. Arranging data in descending order. For example, letters from Z to A, numbers from highest to lowest, etc. To sort the data, follow the given steps. 1. Select a column or range of the data to be sorted. 2. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 3. For ascending order, select the Sort A to Z option, and for descending order, select the Sort Z to A option. Custom sorting. Even when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, it can still be sorted again within other column. For example, if students' mark list is sorted with respect to roll number column, we can still sort it in the name column. You can do this in Excel using column sort. To use column sorting, follow the steps given below. 1. Select a column or range of the data to be sorted. 2. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 3. Select the Custom Sort option. A Sort dialog box will open. 4. Click on the Add Label button to add another column to sort. 5. Click on Then by down arrow in the column section. Select Name in this case. 6. Click on OK. Further, more levels can be added to the Sort dialog box for sorting the given data in a spreadsheet.